Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can use templates in Litestar and how we can use basically an async generator class. So basically we want to stream information to the site, and technically that's it. So how should we call it? vi temp gen.py. So in order to do this, what we have to do is to import from the async IO the sleep function. From datetime we will need the datetime, and from collections.abc we would like to import the async generator, and from Litestar dot response we want to import the template, and from Litestar we would like to import the Litestar, the get and the request, and from Litestar.response we import the stream, and from Litestar.serialization we import the JSON encode, and from Litestar.contrib.jinja we import the Jinja template engine, and two more imports. From pathlib we import the path, and let's group it here. So from Litestar.template.config we import the template config. Whew. These are lots of imports, and what we would like to do now is to create our generator. This is going to be an async function, my generator, and it will return an async generator with bytes or none. And while true, we would like to await a sleep of half a second, and then yield the encode JSON current time, date time now. And once this is done, what we would like to do is to define the get function with the path equals / and def stream time, which returns a stream, and return stream and my generator. Alright, so let's create our app Litestar with the route handlers of stream time, and save it and use uvcon temp gen app. Jinja is not installed, so pip install Litestar Jinja. Great. Stream. I'm missing an R. Okay. So now if we open it in the browser, you can see that the time is coming or going. So basically this is how we can create the stream handler and use it to stream information. The next thing, so now we are going to take a look at how we can use the template. Let's stop the application and go back here. So we need another context route, and basically the path for this is going to be info, and we will use the info function, and we will have a request argument, and we return a template. And now we return the template, and the template name is going to be info.html, and the context is going to be user Daniel, and that's it. Now we have to adjust our application instance, so we add the info as the root handler, and we will have template config, and this template config is going to take the directory, which is going to be a path to the templates. And once we have this, we would like to specify the engine as well. So engine equals jinja template engine, and this should be it. Now we have to create a directory called templates, and here we will have the info.html, and between an h1 tag welcome and a paragraph, and end of the paragraph, your name is. So now if we go back and say that we use the UVcorn tempgen app and visit the context route, so here we say that this is going to be the info. You can see that we have successfully used the template to return the response, and with the help of the context variable, let me go back here, we were able to pass information to that template. So technically that's it. See you in the next one.